Ciao, have you ever tried Affogato al Cafe? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make one at home. Let's start with making the coffee. You will need 1 shot of espresso for each dessert, which you can make using an espresso maker if you have one, or as we are doing today, we're going to be using a Moka pot to make it. The other ingredient we will need for this recipe is vanilla gelato, or if this is not available, you could substitute with vanilla ice cream. Once the coffee is brewed, grab a coffee mug and add 1 scoop of the gelato or ice cream, and then pour over 1 shot of the hot espresso. This easy Italian dessert is perfect for any time of the year, but especially when you don't have time to bake a dessert. If you like, you could serve it with cookies such as biscotti, amaretti, or even wafers. Buon appetito!